If you don't know how to start a group FaceTime chat on iPhone XS, keep watching this video. There are two ways you can start a group FaceTime chat on your iPhone XS. First way, open FaceTime app, tap on the plus sign, add the contacts one by one. You can add up to 32 contacts here. You will get the option for audio and video call after you're done adding the numbers. Tap on the option you want to choose. And this is the way you can start a group FaceTime chat. Alternate way. If you have an iMessage conversation going on with a particular group you want to FaceTime with, open the conversation. Tap on name, tap FaceTime. The FaceTime will start. Now, if you want to add someone after the FaceTime call has started, swipe up the tab, plus add person, tap on the plus sign, tap add the person. So guys, these are the ways you can start a group FaceTime chat on your iPhone XS.